please watch this channel. Videos like this are getting millions of views. For example, a snake, ant, or lizard entering a hole, and inside there are many more snakes, lizards, or other animals. You should also make videos exactly like this. Today, it's just a 2-minute video. Please like the video and make sure to leave a comment. It's completely free. If you enjoy this type of content, please subscribe to the YouTube channel. Let's start. First of all, this is the prompt that I will give you in the YouTube comment section. I will show you how to use it. What I do is simply copy this prompt and go to Pick Lumen. Then paste it there. When I paste the prompt, you will see that after a few seconds, the image will be generated. As you can see, the image has already been created. Now I will show you in this video how you can change this image. By using this prompt, you only need one prompt and you can add any animal you want. You can add any small animal of your choice. I will also give you around 15 to 20 animal names so you can easily replace them, or you can add any animal you like. For example, I copied the prompt and then I write, "Please remove the earring and add a centipede." When I write something like this, the prompt is updated. As you can see, the earring has been removed and the snake has been added. Then, I simply paste the updated prompt again, and after a few seconds, the image will start generating. Now I will show you how we can change it again. Using this method, you can add any animal you want. You are free to choose whichever animal you like. Now what we will do is create the video. To make the video, I go to Google and search Get Flow. The first website that appears is Flow Labs. You just need to click on it. After opening the website, you will see an option called Create with Flow. Simply click on it. When you click on it, a page like this will appear, and it says Credits Refresh Daily. This means every day you will get 120 credits. With these credits, you can create 6 videos daily on one email account. Now I will use my prompt here. This is my prompt, and I paste it here. You can also choose your video size and other settings according to your preference. After that, you will see an option called VO. Just select it and paste your prompt. Here I have 6 prompts, so I will paste them one by one. You can see that all the videos start generating automatically. You don't need to wait and generate one video at a time. Just copy and paste all 6 prompts one by one. After a short time, you can see that the videos have started generating. The result is really amazing. I created 6 videos step by step using 6 prompts. For example, you can see a scene like an ant going inside a house, and it looks like a small camera is following it. It shows how many centipedes are inside and what is happening inside the house. The AI creates all these scenes automatically. Videos like this. I hope you liked the video. Please make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel.